Little demo in D minor tuning, aka DADFAD. It's DADFAD D. Gives you a bit of a platform. You don't have to do a lot to get a really cool sound. It's got mood to it, got a little bit of that attitude, and you can just dropping octaves along it while you have the chord going. So you play that A sharp or B flat. I suppose it's, I guess technically a B flat, but guitar players don't really normally think in terms of flats. It's always sharps or holes. Anyway. So here you have your, you got your open A's over there. Just you got your open D's, E, F, G, and then A is up here.